In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video on POCO F8 Pro. So in order to check that, of course, we're gonna go to the video mode in camera. I'm gonna actually switch from 8K resolution, because in 8K resolution we cannot switch lenses at all. We only have one zoom. So we're gonna switch to 4K, 30 frames per second in this example, and I'm gonna start recording a video. And in this case, if I try to zoom in, I cannot zoom out to the ultra wide, so that is one thing. And it seems that there is no shift in the position of the camera. So in the case of 4K 30 frames per second, there is no way to switch. If I start using the ultra wide angle camera, I can actually switch the position. Oh, sorry, I actually used the 1080p. Right, so if we actually use the ultra wide angle, we cannot use 4K resolution, so never mind. Okay, so using the 1080p 30 frames per second, because 60 cannot use the ultra wide. If I try to start recording, and if I try to zoom out, you can see that we can switch lenses. So in this case, it is possible. But we're gonna use 60 frames per second. And this time, if we start recording, let's zoom in to see if we can switch lens. No, it doesn't change. So we can only switch lenses using 1080p resolution, 30 frames per second. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.